Hello, everyone.
Hello.
Okay, so Audrey's joining me again for a few tastings. I got some really interesting stuff again. So you want to introduce, you want to pick up one? Which one do you want to start with? Okay. So let's start with this one. Ta-da! Sakura daifuku. I think I've introduced daifuku before. But this is something to do with what? What's sakura in English? Cherry blossoms. So, looks interesting. Okay. What's the next one? Show me the next one we're going to... I've already opened it because I wanted to see what the size was. But I haven't eaten any of them yet. Sakura Nihonshu. Nihonshu sake. So, it's supposed to taste like sake and plum blossoms? I mean, cherry blossoms?
Ew.
Oh, well, let's see how that tastes. Okay, last. Oh, okay. Thank you. This one, I've introduced a type of this before. It's called Sakura monaka. Monaka. So those light, not a biscuit, but little cone-like things with insides, like bean paste. Yeah. Sometimes there's ice cream inside too. So, let's try. Which one do you want to try? I guess we should try this one first. Okay. So, the Sakura daifuku is made with mochi. Daifukus are usually made with mochi, and they usually have a kind of bean paste or something, some kind of paste inside. So, these are little ones. They are ones that have a longer shelf life. So usually if you buy daifuku at the store, they only last a day because it's, you know, rice and it doesn't last very long. But these ones are in packs and they last a little bit longer. Maybe because they're a little bit different from the regular daifuku, the way they make them. So this one, they last until like May, which is a long time. So, if anybody wants one, just give me a mail. May, yes. Yes, she's May. Audrey May. She wasn't born in May, though. She was born in November. So, do you want to try one? There you are. Is there another color, too? Oh, they're all pink. Okay. Hitokuchi daifuku. Daifuku you can eat in one mouthful. Ta-da! So it looks like it's all nice and pink. Is it going to taste like cherry blossom? Go ahead. It smells nice. It smells like cherry blossoms. What kind of paste is inside? What does it taste like? Uncle? Oh, just regular bean paste. Do you taste the plum? I mean, why do I keep on saying plum? Do you taste the cherry blossom? Yeah? Yeah.
This is really good.
Do you like it? It's good. I like it too. It's rice, mochi, so it's sticky. You have to be careful when you eat it so you don't choke. But these are really small, so not that dangerous. Sticky and
good.
Good. Okay.
Good.
Wow. Okay. Kawaii-rashi, it says. Okay, so that was really good. I really enjoyed it. Good. So next one. Yes, Kit Kat. Everybody knows Kit Kat, but, you know, in Japan, we have our very special Kit Kats.
Kit Kat.
And this is very Japanesey kind of Kit Kat.
Japanesey.
Supposed to taste like sake. Sakura Japanese sake, it says in English. You see it? There we go. So what is it going to taste like? I'm thinking it's going to be like white chocolate with a kind of a cherry taste. It's pink. It smells good.
Sake no niyoi.
Really? It smells like cherry blossom to me.
Hotondo sake.
Yeah? Smells like sake? What does it taste like?
Oh, no.
Yeah. It has a kind of, you know,
It's sake.
the alcoholic kind of aroma that kind of goes through your nose.
It's sake.
That's the kind of feel that you get from eating it. Yeah, you kind of get it through your nose a little bit. I wonder if it actually has sake in it. Maybe it says at the back, no kids.
What?
No, it doesn't say that. Does it actually have sake inside? I don't see it. But, interesting. And it tastes like cherry blossom, too. It's like drinking, wow, cherry blossom sake, eh? It kind of goes through your nose, doesn't it? She's never had sake before, but. Interesting.
Nice.
Yeah, it doesn't actually have sake inside.
Hitokato deshita.
Yeah. There you go. Sake Kit Kats. Without actually any sake. Oh, it does have sake. Powdered sake. Hunmatsu sake. Dekistori. Huh. Interesting. Oh, shut up. Not that bad. I'm still eating it. You know what? I kind of like it. That's very unique. I like sake. I like wine. So, I could get used to this. Oh, it says. It says no kids.
Oh, no.
Wait. There's actually 0.07% alcohol. It says
Oh, no.
kids and people who are not good at
Sake.
drinking alcohol should refrain from eating. Wow. Sorry about that. I didn't realize. That was very small. Look at that. They have it in pink. They have it in pink where I can't really see it. That's not very nice. But anyway. Okay, so your first taste of sake, what did you think about it?
I hate it.
Okay, good. You should hate it until you're around like 20.
Yes.
Here in Japan, you can't drink until you're 20. So, okay, so the third one, Sakura monaka. Yeah. So the monaka, you can look back at my previous ones. I've introduced that before. It's just a very light, not even a biscuit even. It's like puffed, almost like a cup made with puffed rice or something. Like it's really, really light. What is it actually made out of? Yeah, it is made out of rice. So it's just a really, really light little pocket that you can put stuff in. See, so yeah, And Audrey likes the ice cream, this ice cream version too. But anyway, this is the traditional version of monaka, and it usually has paste inside, bean paste. Does it taste like cherry blossom? I guess it does. There's a cute little picture of like a tea ceremony set on it. It's cute. And it's pink. Isn't it? You see the tea ceremony set there on the picture? Yeah. A little brush to, you know, mix the tea. Okay. So let's try it. I think it's just regular bean paste. Yeah. Oh, and the kind of bean paste that Audrey likes. It's bean paste without the bits. I prefer the bits, but Audrey prefers it without the bits. There we go. Let's try it. This monaka always sticks in my mouth. Do you taste any cherry?
Not really.
No. Maybe it has a little bit in it. It smells like it a little bit. But it doesn't really taste like it. We need some tea to go with this, don't we? We need tea. We should get your tea out from Shizuoka. That's where you got your tea, right? Okay. Okay. So we got our cups and a tea. Audrey went to Shizuoka with her school class. I don't think it's ready yet. Here, mix it by putting it in here.
Here?
Yeah. Put it in here a little bit more. Put it in here. That way it get mixed. Okay. I think you need a little bit more in there. Let's have some tea after our monaka. Yes, Audrey is very proud of her tea. Good tea. So, see you again.